Ceasefire day number 1. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's newspaper on Monday, January the 20th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Well, news of the day. Well, I've told you today it's a ceasefire day number 1 in Israel. Well, we'll see how many days ceasefire. They want 6 weeks. Well, maybe it will be shorter. I do not know. And what's other news today is also Blue Monday. Yeah. Alright, this one will be number 9939. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. There's a lot of double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, 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 here one, there one. Now the double ones, here no, there no. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. And now I'm stuck. Oh no, between the ones comes in O. Between the ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's, overlooked. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Overlook this also. Double ones. We have also here 4. Here also 4. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place number 5 here, the 5th one. Otherwise, we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. I think we need to compare because I'm stuck here. Well, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Well. If I... Time for comparing. Okay. Here we have a double. Yeah, double 1. Well, this row and the last row. Okay, empty box. 1, 1. Empty box. Again, empty box. 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Okay, now. Okay. Double ones here, okay, no. 101, here we have a 101, here an O. 1, no, not the same, not the same, not the same. Oh, 100. Here's a lot. How about here, double ones? No, not the same. So I think we need to compare the columns. 101, 01. Yeah, this one. And that one. O, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, but it's not helping me now. Wow. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. O and a 1. Here also O and a 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. How about here? Double O here. Here we have a double O. 100 here. Yeah. Not the same. How about this one? Yeah. This one. And that one. Okay. 1, 1, 0, empty box. Empty box 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's, double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's, double O's, here one, there one. Correct in 10 minutes exactly. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening, so have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.